On today's adventure, we're in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're gonna ride the FlyRide at Beyond the Lens. I'm gonna show you how much it costs, the height requirements, and much more, and ultimately just show you what this ride is like to help you decide if it's something you would like to do. Without further ado, let the adventure begin. Beyond the Lens and Pigeon Forge opened in 2019, but in 2022 they added the FlyRide, which is what we're checking out today in this video. The FlyRide itself is $20 for adults, $15 for kids plus tax. I would recommend, if you're wanting to try it, I would get the combination ticket, so you could also do Beyond the Lens, which I'll put a link in the description of a full tour of everything that includes, as well as discounts at the end of this video. But let's work our way over to the FlyRide, where I'm going to show you the full ride. There are flights every 15 minutes, so as you're waiting for your assigned time, they've got a little bit of seating here. I would try to get your flight time in advance. I'm also going to go over a couple different things here. It does recommend that you be in good health. It does not recommend for anyone who has a history of neck or back problems, any expectant mothers, or anyone susceptible to motion sickness. Here are the minimum heights. There is no maximum height. I did ask that, but you can pause the video to see the minimum heights, and it says a maximum of 300 pounds. There's a pre-flight movie. It's about 3 minutes long, and the actual ride is about 9 minutes long. If you have any other questions, drop those down in the comments. We'll do our best to answer. So as you enter, when it's time for your flight, you have a room 1 to the left, which is the lower level of the FlyRide. And we're gonna go up top to room 2 to a training room where we'll watch a pre-flight video. And as you wait in here, you've got posters all around you of the different places that you'll be flying to. And we're hanging here getting ready for our flight, and our flight time came. Again, we're going upstairs to pilot training room 2. I wanted to give you a look at what this room is like. You'll come in here, find a seat, and you'll be watching a 3-minute pre-flight movie, which will play for you right now.
Hello and welcome to Hangar X, home of FlyRide. Your flight journey is about to begin, but before we do, we would like to make you an honorary pilot. To become an honorary pilot, we must put you through a quick training class. There's just a few things for you to remember. First, remember to aviate, navigate, and communicate. Second, always remember that nothing flies without fuel. And lastly, takeoff is optional, but landing is mandatory. There you have it. Congratulations, you have just completed your pilot training. Now get ready to experience an adventure of a lifetime. Your adventure will soar above some of America's most beautiful landmarks, from California to New York and everywhere in between. Now before we take off, we would like to request your attention so that we may go over important safety procedures. During your flight, your seats will be suspended in air for a thrilling experience that swoops, rolls, and dips, giving you the feeling of flying. Please make sure that any instructions given by your attendants are followed. When given signal to board, your entrance will be located to your right. Those of you in row 1 will enter through the marked entrance, followed by those of you in row 2. We kindly ask that all cellular devices are turned off and stowed, as this will interfere with our flight deck controls. No photos or videos, as this will disturb the experience you are about to embark on. When the doors open, we ask that you please move all the way to the end of the row, leaving no empty seats. For your safety, all bags and any loose items should be placed in the storage bin closest to your seat. Once seated, buckle your seatbelt by pulling from right to left. As you take your seat, if you or your child's height is below the seatback markers, please pull the seatbelt through the yellow loop before buckling up for takeoff. Please remain seated the entire flight and keep your arms inside. And in case of emergency, Please follow instructions given by your attendant. After your flight, please gather your belongings and exit through the automated doors that will be located on your right. We want to thank you for your attention, and before you go, we know you have many choices when it comes to your adventures, and we wanted to take this time to say thank you for choosing our FlyRide experience at Hangar X. We hope to see you on another adventure soon. We are now ready to board. Please enter through the marked entrance and enjoy your flight.
Once you finish up the pilot training video, you head into the actual FlyRide. I want to get some video to show you. It is wide and well lit. So you're going to be secured in a full motion seat that move along with the adventure. However, it's not a roller coaster type ride. You may tilt and sway, but there are no necessarily drops or excessive speed. You got this bin, you can drop anything you may lose on the ride. You will get a number of smells on the ride, as well as being missed with water a number of times. I want to give you a better look at the seats. Again, if you're under 48 inches, you're going to need that center loop. But the rolling doors will go up and the seats will move forward where the door is right now. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you what the ride is like.
Flight 3115, you are clear for takeoff. Copy, tower. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. We have a short window for takeoff due to inclement weather. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
all clear signals from your flight crew.
Wow.
We hope you've enjoyed coming with us on the FlyRide in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. If you have enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button and feel free to drop any questions or comments below. We'll do our best to answer. Feel free to hit that subscribe button as we cover all sorts of things in Pigeon Forge and beyond. You can also check out the video description as I'll put any available discounts that you can get at Beyond the Lens and the FlyRide down below. Thanks again so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.